Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a fast motion video in CapCut. Super simple. You are just going to select your video here. Then you're just going to select speed and select normal. And to make your video go faster, you are going to move this circle, like this blue circle, to the right if you want it super quick. There is a max speed of 100x speed, of course. But for instance, I want to make mine 5x speed. I'm just going to select it, slide it to the 5x speed one. Then I'm just going to press the check mark button, and it's going to make my video faster, as you can see. But for instance, this isn't fast enough. I'm just going to select it again, get a speed, normal, and have it up to 100x speed. For instance, this will make it super fast. As you can see, it's not even really a video, I don't know, but I'm just going to lower it down to maybe a 10. That seems more reasonable, I guess, but yeah, that looks more reasonable. But that's pretty much how you can create a fast motion video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!